We're here at the Memorial Park Connector Bridge project. We come out monthly to fly this project to capture aerial photos and video so the management team can track operations happening. Well, what's cool about this project is Tellefsen is building multiple tunnels at ground level that eventually Memorial Drive will be routed through. Then this will be covered by earth to create a mound, effectively creating a land bridge in Memorial Park. It's going to permanently change the landscape here at Memorial Park. We love working on construction projects, but this project is very unique. We can't wait to see this project finished.